Hi everyone, my name is Janet Wakeland and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I have been for almost 25 years. I have a passion for helping fellow demonstrators enhance and maximize their experience as a demonstrator. With 25 years experience in selling, recruiting, training, supporting my team, and supporting my customers, I'd like to share with you a training that I have that has been ongoing for a couple of years now that is open to demonstrators all over the globe. Don't let the word business kind of scare you away, but indeed, we do have businesses as demonstrators. The training is called Building a Business with Stampin' Up, and I want to give you a little bit of a behind-the-scenes look at this so that you can see if maybe the training this year is a fit for you. Maybe you're looking to find new customers. Maybe there's an area of social media you'd like to explore and add that to your business. Maybe it's something as simple as learning how to read and maximize your reports. Maybe it's sponsoring. Maybe you would like to sponsor and grow your team. Maybe it's just being more profitable and having more money left at the end of the month. And maybe it's something as simple as time management or organization. All of those are elements of building a business, and we all have different needs. But what the Building a Business with Stampin' Up! Training does is it is set to kind of fill in all of those gaps, believe it or not. It is a full year-long training. You have new materials presented to you every month, but because this training is housed in a Facebook group, you have access to all of the back training. Everything that's ever been presented in this group is available to you. It's all archived there under our videos tab, under our units tab, under the search button, under the media files and things like that. So lots and lots of good stuff. So as I mentioned, the training is housed in a Facebook group. I love that because it's not just a single one-time video that you click and watch. You're going to have hundreds of fellow demonstrators who are on a mission just like you to enhance their Stampin' Up! Experience, to network with, to brainstorm with. You're going to have me checking in and answering questions for you. You're going to have me providing new training materials throughout the month, starting with our monthly focus, and then other things based on a poll that all of our current almost 300 members have completed so that we can help prioritize where we're going to go with this. So again, lots of great stuff is presented in here. We use Facebook Live videos, we use pre-recorded videos, we use graphics, we use polls, we use all of the amazing features of Facebook, and which is why I love using Facebook groups. So let's just start for just a second. The main page here are discussion areas where you're just going to find anything new that gets posted during the month. There's that poll I was telling you about. There was a recruiting tip posted this morning and a sales tip. And then what we do to help organize all that material and to help make it easy for you to find is we use something called units within this group. So for example, here's a unit on how to read your reports. If I keep coming down, you'll see a unit on events, a unit that will put our monthly focus video and graphics in, and that monthly focus video is about where to put your energies based on your goals the following month in your business, based on what's going on in the Stampin' Up! Calendar, what's going on in the world, and things from actual business practices to ideas for social media engagement. So that's definitely a training that happens every single month. You've got social media content ideas with details on how to create your own graphics. You've got information on Facebook groups, information on sales tips, finding new customers, on sponsoring. You're going to find a unit on video creation, whether it's simple little videos like hyperspeed videos or boomerang little videos, right up to YouTube videos, Facebook Live videos, and things like that. There's lots and lots of different types of videos and way to be using them in our business today. You're going to just keep coming down, and there's going to be more and more added. In addition, by being a part of the Building Your Business with Stampin' Up! Training group, you also have the opportunity to voluntarily participate in our tutorial co-op. Our tutorial co-op is also hosted on Facebook, and what we do is we provide you with the master fill-in-the-blank tutorial, and is literally just a form. You create one project that month. You add that image to the Microsoft Word document. You fill in the blanks based on the template that we give you. You upload it to the tutorial, and then you have access to all of the other tutorials shared that month. On average, it's 30 to 40 tutorials that are shared every month. And those have been such an amazing part of my business, providing tutorials to my customers who make a purchase of a certain set, using it as a draw to my blog, to my newsletter, to my Facebook page, to my VIP group, and things like that. And we can train you on how to use those tutorials. So currently this class is $89. It is $89 until January 15th, which means that for less than $8 a month, you can receive this amazing training and support, helping you, again, maximize your Stampin' Up! Business. After January 15th, the class will be $109, excuse me, it will be $20 more. So it will be $109. And then there is a yearly renewal fee of $15. And that keeps you in the group for as long as we continue to hold this kind of training. And I don't see Stampin' Up! Retirement at any time in my future. I kind of took a little bit of a, I want to call it a maintenance year last year, but I am definitely in business building mode. So that's the other thing that I bring to the table is not just my 25 years of experience transitioning my business from, live big events to smaller events to online to a little bit of mix and now into my husband's retirement, moving my business and all of those kinds of things. But I'm actively involved in doing all of the things and learning right alongside you guys in many of the cases as well too. So if this is something that is of interest to you, just make sure that you click the link. If there is a link in the comment section, if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, and if you're looking at this in the newsletter, there should be a link for you as well too. And if not, you can always email me, janet@remarkablycreated.com. I would love to collaborate with you this year. So jump on board while you can save $20. It's $89 right now until January 15th. After that, it'll be $109 for this amazing training that is ongoing every single month in one place with lots of great information, hundreds of other demonstrators to network with, and my support throughout the month. So thanks, guys.